So, you might be asking what game I am in. Well, I am in Obby. And, you might be asking, why did I make this train in a Obby making game? I have nothing else to do. But this is this is like my train showcase. So it's basically a fictional train. It's Canadian National AT1. Yeah, so there's a fictional train. I tried to list it off images, and yeah. So this is here is like the smokestack, dome, another dome, and the car. So if you want to like it, go to this. Make sure to enter this BID if you want to check it out, or just not steal it. But it's 1901 656249 #5, and please like. And this is me, by the way. And yeah, bye bye.